All right, Dennis, here's one of your 427 Fords. Give you a description of this combination. Got AFR cylinder heads on it. It is a stack injection. Got it all set up for you. Custom hydraulic roller. Got the front sump oil pan. Basically, it's got your front end all blacked out. Make sure the alternator charges for you. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 486 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 542, peak horsepower 557. So it's got a front end on it. We're rated for 570, so it's pretty good. Stack usually runs better torque. That's really good torque number. A little bit less power than the Borla. So everything's good. Next thing we'll do is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs in, engine pictures, dyno video, lots of tech stuff. I highly recommend plug it in, watch it. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. On the engine will be this tag. I have engine number, some other specifications. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up if you need any information. So hold on to that forever. Have a great day.